Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lucia at Lushspaces, and this is another video for our garden design section. And in today's video I want to talk about actually start planning your garden. Some successful gardens are worked out on the ground. Some people have the imagination and visualization to just walk around the garden and actually imagine what it could look like. Or it can also be conceived throughout the stages or during the construction. This approach can work very well for people that are either gifted or do have some experience already. But I think for novices or beginners or people that do not have the experience, clearly it's better to make the mistakes on paper first. You know, major designs can be expensive and also time consuming, especially if it involves hard landscaping like changing walks and paths and walls or structures. But however, just moving a few plants around is not enough to change an uninspiring garden into something special. So therefore, having some sort of goal or a plan to work to can be very beneficial, especially, when the construction can take several stages. It can go through a few seasons as well. Therefore, having a well thought design can really ensure that the garden will evolve in a structured way. So first, decide on the style of the garden that you want, and I will be talking about different styles of gardens in a different video, so wait for that. Next one, I've created a checklist of the needs that you might have for your garden, and you can find the list on my social media. So use this to identify and clarify your needs. Make note of the mundane, practical considerations that you might need in your garden. For example, where will you dry your clothes, or where will you put your entertainment area, and make a note of that. And also think about how to screen off the unpleasant views, for example, of a tool shed or a composting area, so they're not obvious when you look at your garden, they are screened off. Unattractive views of objects like a tool shed, for example, can become quite a problem because they are quite dominant. So the use of plants, the use of shrubs, climbers or trees can become very helpful. For example, for an instant impact, you can use planter with multiple shrubs. In this garden, the bird table helps to draw the eye away from the practical corner of the garden. You can make a small garden look larger than it actually is just by ensuring the sides are well planted and creating a striking focal point. Shape and form can be as important as color in creating a stylish garden. So strong lines and several changes of level give this small garden plenty of interest. In this kind of design, the hard landscaping is more important than the soft landscaping, so the plants. And so that's it for starting to plan your garden. Please do like the video and subscribe to my channel if you find this content valuable. And don't forget to check out my social media for the choices checklist for your garden. And I will see you in the next one. Let me know if you do have any questions. Goodbye.